All right, well, the chicken has been nicely washed and pet dried. You can also use the legs and the breast if you wish. So I'm using the whole chicken here. So the chicken, you have to cut through the bone, where the bone actually is, not place where the breast is. So like I'm showing you, so you need to cut the chicken with a very sharp knife. Also you can use the chicken scissors, it's no harm in that, so it's mostly welcome if you do that. So I'm using my knife here, and you need to give a bit of a pressure towards the where the breast is, so that way it will flatten the chicken. And also I'm just giving a bit of cuts here so that it will help cook faster and absorb all the marination into the chicken and give much more flavors to it. And what I'm gonna do is only seasoning with salt and pepper for now. Just salt and pepper, good touch of salt and pepper. And I'm gonna put in the fridge after this for about good 1 to 2 hours. Actually I have done 1.5 hours precisely. Yeah, try to go under the skin so that you get a good flavor when your chicken is done. And flip the chicken and do the same too. So this chicken, this stage, is gonna be very flavorful, so I'm doing another one as well. Yep, it's ready to go into the fridge now. So by the time it's been marinating, I'm doing my sauce. Onion, garlic, red capsicum, cayenne pepper, Habanero chili, bird's eye chili, tomato paste, sweet paprika, dried oregano, zest of a lemon, and the core parts as well, that's without the seed, salt, sugar, white vinegar, water, and oil. Just blend it through, just blitz it up until this becomes a very smooth paste. Yeah, blend it through, blend it nicely. Oh, look at that, it's beautiful. So the chicken has been well seasoned and it's well brined properly. So what you got to do is add your chicken peri peri seasoning, the marination to the chicken, and rub it around. Rub well. Make sure that she'd get coated all the part of the chicken. Yeah, add a bit more. It's gonna be very much flavorful. Yep, try to go under the skin. It's got to go into the oven now. Splash a good amount of oil to it, and there we go. We go into the oven. For the sauce, actually I done the same way I've done the marination, and but I add a little bit of extra water and I cook it through in the pot, and you can see the consistency, and this is the right consistency that I'm looking for. Not very watery, not very thick. Wow, it's beautiful. Roast potato, salt, pepper, sweet paprika, oregano, and good touch of oil. Rub it well, and it goes with the chicken into the oven. Oh, look at that. This is good, this is good, look at that. What I'm gonna do is like add a bit of oil on top of the chicken. That's where actually flavor is. And we're good to go. looking good, isn't it? All right, so the best part. Wow, look at this. It's not dry, it's juicy. Well, this can be one of the best dishes for your family dinners at any given time, trust me. So it takes a while to make, trust me, but it's worth the time. So the more longer the marination is, so the more tasty it is, which is this one. Can't stop having it, man. Gotta finish it. I got 2 plates to finish. Oh. Oh. Sauce is amazing. Make it and let me know how that is. Trust me, you're gonna love this one.